Hey yo, Yazzie here, what's up? So, I'm back after many years, I return. Seriously though, I need to stop making these like every 3 months. No, whatever. So, instead of doing a cutesy Prince Gumball look, I'm back here with a stabby boy. And bashy and everything else. So a lot of people have asked how I do my Sangwoo makeup, and so I'm gonna do that today. And of course get started by putting back your hair, taking off your glasses if you have them, and putting on your primer. Oh yeah, she just showed up.
Hi, welcome to Lo's vlog. I'm in here as well.
I forgot, we're gonna say yells when you forgot it. Hi,
welcome to at Yowzer's vlog makeup tutorial on the murder.
Hey,
boy.
check out Strumbles. She's probably like you're probably singing this right now.
Wow, wouldn't that be great?
Oh, that's what I'm thinking.
Wow, really nice tunes, Lindsay.
Hey, if there's a cover of Killing Stalking going on when I'm putting on makeup, she sang it!
Oh my god. Wow. By the way, I think that they just that's right, stalking, that's Killing Stalking.
No, I said Killing as a song.
Oh god, oh my god.
Anyways.
I think that they just pulled up though, so I don't know. Your parents?
Mom's right there.
Who just pulled into your driveway?
Dad.
Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. Alright, well.
Okay. So, now with your hair back and whatnot, you're gonna put on your foundation. So if you follow my Instagram or whatnot around this time, you'll have noticed that my skin tone has been really wonky because I'm losing my tan. Well, I've mostly lost it by now, but like I get a really severe tan, and so like I was out of my lighter foundation and I didn't have like the time or money to go get like a new one, and so like I was just because and so I was using my tanner one, which made my skin look super orange, and I didn't know what to do, and it was just a mess, and so I apologize for that. So today I went out and got a new stuff, and hopefully this is my right color, otherwise I'm gonna cry. Okay, I always forget, for Sangwoo you want a very solid colored skin tone, and so always come in with corrector for him especially, because you really want your face to be nice and level. Here, okay, now put this on, and then put on foundation. Okay, so now we're gonna come in here with some concealer and whatnot. This one here is pretty pale for my skin tone because I really, the contrast between his, you know, underbags, whatever you want to call them, and then his actual like facial here and his cheekbones, I want just like punching in your face like with a bat. Okay. Sorry, I'm still sick. So yes, I'm gonna go do that and okay, here we go. So apparently my last take wasn't good enough. So, one of the most, wow, that was really loud. Okay, one of the most important parts of Sangwoo is his killer cheekbones. Wink. And so, what I do is I start off with a stick contour thing as a base, and then I take my, well, one of my darker bases and go by the center of my cheekbone, and then do a dark base there and blend out with lighter values from there. Okay, let's go.
I heard he sang the good song. I heard he had a...
Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the contour of the jawline and the nose. For the nose is something that I like to go pretty tight in. So I come in with an eyeshadow brush and varying shades of brown and make it a pretty tight line, and then, you know, blend and whatnot. And then here, you're gonna want to keep it underneath and make your jaw look as like sharp as possible.
And so I came to see him, to listen for a while.
Now for the famous killing stalking part that all of you are actually here for. The college student under eye bags. So my way is a bit difficult, so I'm going to walk you by step. Here we go!
Hey.
I have a spinny chin. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking my liquid eyeliner, it's very important for this, and doing a thin line across the top, and then dragging out the line quite a bit. And do it in a swoopy manner, understand? A wing. Okay, so now you're going to come back with your liquid eyeliner, and what I do is I take my liquid eyeliner so I'm going to go right here underneath my eye, just a wee bit, and then I'm going to take the liquid eyeliner and wet the wing up here, and then drag it down with a angled brush. So the important thing about this is the fact that it gives the darkest black right where it should be needed. And then you're going to come back with some different shades of brown and blend it out. And then I come back with some varying reds, purples, and a dash of green. I personally think the red is one of the most important because it helps balance out the black with a bit of contrast. You can take a bit of a nude color, whatever to your skin tone, and that helps it bring in a brown a little bit, but also helps blend it into your skin tone. Okay, so I didn't film both of that because that would have taken 12 hours and you don't want to sit here through all that. So I did my other eye, and now you'd think, oh, that's it, we're done, no more eyeshadow needed, right? Well, you'd be wrong! Now, we're going to move on to the other important part, which is going to be taking the other various shades of brown, or same shades of brown, and you're going to come up and around here, and you really want to follow where your eye crease is. And once you get there, you're going to follow it up and over just a wee bit, and I don't have anything on that, that's why I'm not going to make a mark here, but you're going to go up and over, and you're really going to make that dark, and you're going to blend in with your nose contour. Now onto that.
He sang as if he knew me in all my dark despair, and then he looked right through.
So what we're going to do for the eyebrows is big eyebrows. You could do it like that, but what I do is I'm going to take a dark brown, and I angle my eyebrows up a little bit more and in a wee bit more than I would regularly. Here we go to that. Before I move on to the eyebrows, let me quickly say I'm going to bring in a wee bit of the inner corner of my eye. Pretty sharp here. You really want to make it meld smoothly with the rest of the eye to make them very deep and solid. Okay. Okay, eyebrows on. Eyes done, whatever. So now we're going to move on to the lip extender thingamajigs. And I'm going to take a brown. Actually, a lot of times I take the same brown as my, eyebrows. I don't know why. Okay. We're going to come in there, and we're going to extend those lippy boys, and then we're going to throw in a twist with this Sangwoo. And I put in a little bit of red lipstick to kind of give it contrast with your lips and whatnot. So, on to that.
As if I wasn't there.
Funny thing, what I do here is I take kind of a reddish pinkish color, and then I mix it with a bit of black, and it gives it a blackish brown. I like the contrast that it gives it. So, shabam.
Yes, he was singing my lines with his words.
And shabam, the makeup is done. And so I'm going to come through, and I'm going to set that, and then I'm going to put on some setting spray, and then ya boo, Slade. I'm hilarious. Lindsey, appreciate me.
Good job.
Thank you.
I'm taking
Thank
care
you.
of this ladybug.
Miraculous, simply the best. Up to the test when things go wrong. There's one directly above my head, and I don't like it.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, with that on, I'm gonna go throw on my wig. Well, actually, no. I'm gonna go throw on my cosplay, then I'm gonna throw on my wig. We begin the 2-hour wait because I didn't set the dryer to the right setting, so my shirt isn't dry. And now with my thing not actually fully dry, but partly, this is my finished Sangwoo. If there is anybody else you'd like me to cosplay, do a CMV, or a tutorial for, please tell me down below in the comments. You can also check out my Instagram, my print shop, and other social media in the links down below. And that's all. Yells are out.